Welcome friends to my YouTube channel Polytechnic. After completing higher secondary education, a student think about his career. Some may be doctor, some may be engineer, some may be scientist, teacher, etc. So a student must build up his career with different occupation. A doctor is only responsible to a patient family, but an engineer is responsible to the whole society. All the things we see in our surroundings like roads, buildings are constructed by civil engineers. Now in this video I am going to describe about the concrete technology. What is the main function of civil engineering? I am going to now discuss about concrete technology. Let's see it. First of all, to build up a building we need concrete and bricks. So at first we want to need what is the main ingredients of concrete? First, cement, coarse aggregate, fine aggregate, water, admixture may or may not be. Now we must know what is the main compound of cement. CaO 63%, SiO2 20%, Al2O3 6%, MgO 1.5%, SO2 2%, alkalis. And what is the oxide compound of cement? Fe2O3, it is 3%. Next, the most important things is what are the box compound in the cement. First, tricalcium silicate C3S 54.1%, then dicalcium silicate C2S 16.6%, then tricalcium aluminate C3A 10.1%, then tetracalcium aluminoferrite C3A4F 9.6%. Then come about the two important properties of cement. First is hydration of cement, another is heat of hydration. So what is hydration of cement? When we mix cement with water, a chemical reaction is formed with water and cement. It is called the reaction which is taken place between cement and water is called hydration of cement. And next, what is heat of hydration? The reaction of cement with water is exothermic. The reaction which is take place between cement and water, and a rapid heat is evaporated during this reaction. This heat of evolution is probably due to the reaction of solution of aluminates and sulfate. So the heat becomes from the hydration of cement is called heat of hydration. Now, properties of cement. What are the main properties of cement? First, fineness of cement, soundness of cement, initial setting time of cement, final setting time of cement, and finally, compressive strength of cement. Another important thing is what is lime saturation factor, ratio of percentage of lime to percentage of silica, alumina and iron oxide known as lime saturation factor. It is not greater than 1.02 and not less than 0.66. Now there are many laboratory tests which are performed in the laboratory. First, standard consistency test. So standard consistency test is performed by Vickert Plancher having 10 mm diameter and 50 mm length to penetrate a depth of 33 to 35 mm from the top of the mold. So what is standard consistency? Standard consistency is the percentage of water in which the mold is prepared, and Vickert Plancher having diameter of 10 mm and length of 50 mm is penetrate the mold in 33 to 35 mm from the top. The percentage of water adding to the mixture is called standard consistency, and the percentage of water is denoted by P. Next, soundness test of cement. It is done by Le Chatelier apparatus. It is 30 mm in diameter and 30 mm in height, and it is attached to indicator arms 165 mm long along with the point. Next, how soundness test is performed. Here take 100 gram of cement and adding a water of 0.78 p. Next, cement is mixed with 0.78 p water and it is poured into the Le Chatelier apparatus, and the upper and bottom level is fixed with glass plate and remain it in the water for 1 day. After 1 day, it is picked up from water and it is poured into hot bathtub of temperature 100 degrees centigrade, and it is boiled for almost 3 hours. After then, it is picked up from bathtub and measured the distance of two arms. The maximum soundness of cement is 10 mm, and if magnesium oxide is present, the cement became unsound. Then initial setting time, the diameter of the plunger is 1 mm square and water is added is 0.85 p. Initial setting time may be 30 minutes, and for final setting time, the diameter of plunger is 5 mm triangle shaped plunger. The final setting time is 10 hours or 600 minutes. The last test of cement is compressive strength of cement. 17.6 mm or 7.06 semi cube size is taken. Cement and sand is taken into 1:3 ratio. Cement 185, sand 555. The time within mix 30 minutes. 16 mm dia tamping rod, cement and sand mix are poured into the cube, and with 16 mm dia tamping rod it is tamping 25 times, and then it is kept in water for 3 days, 7 days and 28 days. After 3 days the compressive strength is 50%, after 7 days 67%, and after 28 days it is 100% of compressive strength given. And after this, some field test of cement. So here it is end. If you like this video, please like this video and share and subscribe our channel for more videos in related with civil engineering. Please subscribe our channel.